Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we've got something very special lined up just for you. An in-depth review of one of the leading VPNs, which is NordVPN. In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about NordVPN. Whether you're a seasoned VPN user or you're just somebody who's starting out in the world of online privacy, we've got you covered. NordVPN is like the superhero of the internet, keeping your online activities safe and sound. With military-grade encryption and features like double VPN and CyberSec, it's your digital shield against cyber threats. Speaking of superpowers, NordVPN server network is like having the ability to teleport anywhere in the world. With servers across the globe, you can connect and browse securely from virtually anywhere. NordVPN is all about the privacy party. They have a strict no-logs policy, which means that they don't keep tabs on your online adventures. It's like having your own little private internet island. And the best part? It's not just for tech wizards. NordVPN's user-friendly applications make it a breeze to set up and use on your favorite devices. Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, they've got you covered. When you're selecting a VPN service, you must consider several factors to ensure that it aligns with your requirements. Given your need for strong security, high-speed performance, and the ability to circumvent geo-restrictions, there are specific criteria to evaluate to determine the optimal VPN choice. Begin by prioritizing strong security and privacy features. The most reliable VPNs employ advanced industry-standard encryption algorithms to safeguard your data effectively. Additionally, a VPN with independently verified no-logs policy ensures that your online activities like torrenting and evading geo and VPN-based restrictions remains completely unrecorded. Go for a VPN that offers both high-speed performances and consistent reliability. You need to ensure that the VPN aligns with your particular needs. You need to take your budget into consideration as well. Now, here's a little time for a disclaimer. Some of the links provided below are affiliate links. This means that at no additional cost to you, we may earn a commission if you make a purchase through them. We recommend products and services based on their quality and their relevance, not because of the commissions that we may receive. Every purchase made through these links helps support our channel, allowing us to continue producing content just like this. Thank you so much for your ongoing support. So let's get into the in-depth review of NordVPN. In the latest update, NordVPN's global server count has expanded from 5,500 to almost 5,800, and this number continues to grow. Notably, a recent addition brings their network coverage to an impressive 60 countries. To clarify, NordVPN is versatile and usable in nearly any country, excluding those where VPNs are prohibited. The 60 countries mentioned earlier represent the location of NordVPN's servers. For those unfamiliar with VPNs, connecting to a server results in a change of your IP address location to match that of the chosen server. For instance, you're connecting to a server in Australia means your internet activity appears as though it's originating from Australia. This functionality proves especially useful for individuals who are traveling abroad and they need to acquire a US IP address by connecting to a server in the US. While NordVPN operates on a very global scale, its headquarters are situated in Panama, a significant advantage for us. This is because Panama is not part of the surveillance alliances known as Five Eyes, Nine Eyes, and the 14 Eyes, which carries implications for data privacy. For those who might be new to the world of VPNs, these alliances represent cooperative surveillance agreements between different countries. Depending on the location of a VPN, the company's headquarters, governmental authorities may have the ability to compel the company to disclose customer data. For instance, governments could request VPN companies to provide IP log addresses for use in criminal investigations. While we certainly don't endorse illegal activities, the potential for governments to access user logs of VPNs is a major concern for us. This is why we hold NordVPN very high regard, amongst others, that its headquarters are beyond the reach of governmental bodies that might exercise such requests. NordVPN distinguishes itself by introducing an exclusive NordLynx tunneling protocol, which guarantees exceptional speeds for its users. Furthermore, it employs an advanced encryption technique and strictly adheres to a no-logs policy that has undergone independent audits. This commitment ensures that your online activities remain completely anonymous and private. Navigating NordVPN's user-friendly application is a breeze, and they come packed with a range of distinctive features. Among these is a complimentary MeshNet option, a very valuable tool that facilitates circumventing Netflix's stringent account sharing rules. With this feature, sharing accounts among family members becomes hassle-free, making NordVPN an exceptional choice suitable for newcomers and experienced users alike. NordVPN offers not just a standard, but a highly effective kill switch. A well-implemented kill switch can greatly enhance your online security. Picture this scenario. You're aiming for anonymity online, but suddenly your connection to the VPN server drops unexpectedly. This could potentially expose your location and IP address without your knowledge. NordVPN's efficient kill switch prevents such situations from happening. It makes sure that your privacy remains intact even if your VPN connection fails momentarily. Once you've set up your account and installed the client, you can connect to any NordVPN network server. This connection is safeguarded through encryption, rendering your online traffic indecipherable to external observers. NordVPN relies on the AES-256 CBC cipher, which remains the gold standard in the VPN industry. NordVPN boasts impressive speeds, particularly when you're employing the NordLynx protocol, which is developed in-house by NordVPN. This protocol represents an enhancement of the renowned WireGuard protocol and offers an excellent blend of speed and security. NordVPN provides a range of service tiers consisting of the standard plan, the plus plan, and the complete plan. Before diving into these plans, it's important to note that NordVPN is part of the Nord Security Suite, which also encompasses NordPass, a password manager, and NordLocker, a secure cloud service. Now let's get on with the plans. The standard plan encompasses all the fundamental features offered by NordVPN. Progressing on to the Plus plan, it introduces both the NordVPN and NordPass features. Finally, the Complete plan has NordPass, NordVPN, and NordLocker features, providing a very big suite of services. The speed of our internet connections can be affected by VPNs, as the data has to pass through both an encryption server and a public network server. Various factors can contribute to the speed, including the proximity to the servers, the specifications of the device, and the operating system. It's essential to recognize that multiple elements influence speed beyond just the VPN itself. The capacity to bypass geo-blocked websites stands out as a very significant advantage for any VPN service. While NordVPN doesn't explicitly assert its capability to unblock specific websites or services, statements emphasizing the freedom to maintain access to preferred websites and entertainment content and overcome censorship resonate very positively with us. The inconvenience associated with VPNs that only support P2P on select servers becomes apparent when you're connecting to a non-P2P server and discovering issues when you're launching the torrent client. NordVPN's window app, however, offers a very hassle-free solution with a dedicated P2P server list, allowing users to easily select their desired country. The Android app offered by NordVPN mirrors the simplicity and intuitiveness of its desktop counterpart, ensuring a very seamless transition for users who are navigating from desktop to mobile. Much like the desktop client, NordVPN's Android app greets users with a very familiar interface characterized by a very soothing blue scale landing screen. Here, users have the freedom to choose their desired country, opt for an automatic connection to the fastest server available, or you can explore specialized servers such as those designed for Onion over VPN, Double VPN, or P2P activities. Additionally, NordVPN earns commendation for its split tunneling feature, which empowers users to select specific apps that they wish to exclude from the encrypted VPN connection, adding a layer of flexibility to their online experience.
So this is the NordVPN app. As you can see, it's very easy to navigate through. You can move the map around and see if there are different locations and server locations out there. If you go into the MeshNet option, you can go through and read what exactly is a MeshNet all about. Once you've got that, you can choose to opt for it or you can just let it go. Then if you go into the settings mode, you'll see different kinds of settings that you may choose from if you need to up your protection level, anything that you may need that can make your VPN do better. So this was pretty much it for the Android app. It's pretty easy to use, pretty precise, very to the point, and it's so user-friendly that even the beginners can have an easy time with it.
So this is the NordVPN app. As you can see, it's very to the point. It's got the map right there. You've got your dedicated ISP, different kinds of servers, all the cities and countries that you can connect to. And now if you go into the security settings, you can see that there's general options, kill switch options. It's best if you do turn on your kill switch because it'll help you so much. Then you can go and check through the general preferences. In the general preferences, you can choose if you want to launch the app or not, if you want to keep it in the limited tray area. Now for P2P connections, you've got different servers as well. So you can pretty much connect to any of the server networks out there. And that's pretty much all there is to it in the Windows app. It's very simple, very precise, very to the point. NordVPN delivers exceptional customer service characterized by swift and effective interactions with enthusiastic and polite agents. For those seeking self-help, the website boasts a comprehensive knowledge base brimming with tutorials, FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and a wealth of other resources. If the answers are not good enough, the live chat option is readily available. The support page is organized into categories, each going into various troubleshooting and guidance articles. In situations requiring human assistance, like you might want to inquire about the refund fees or the 30-day free trial, the process begins with NordVPN chatbot. While the chatbot provides basic answers, it does fall short in addressing complex issues. However, users can prompt a connection to Live Agent by typing keywords like Live Agent with the chatbot, facilitating your transition. It's important to know that providing a valid email address is a prerequisite before engaging with a support agent. In conclusion, NordVPN emerges as a powerhouse in the realm of virtual private networks, providing a strong combination of security, global accessibility, and user-friendly features. With military-grade encryption, a vast server network spanning numerous countries, and a commitment to user privacy from its Panama headquarters, NordVPN stands out as a very reliable digital guardian. Whether you're navigating this for leisure, work, or both, NordVPN proves to be a versatile companion, ensuring that your internet journey is not only secure, but also seamless. From our experience, NordVPN not only meets, but exceeds expectations, making it a top choice for those who are seeking a trustworthy and a comprehensive VPN solution in an increasingly interconnected world. And there you have it, guys, our comprehensive NordVPN review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest in the world of cybersecurity and online privacy. Thank you for watching.